Hey dudes,
Morning.
welcome back to a new video. In this video we decided to take a walk in the nature and we're gonna hike around on these wood trails like these, and we're gonna walk around the swamp.
It's supposed to be like 6 kilometers, and there's supposed to be the tower where you can overview the ditch or what this place is.
Yeah,
So we will take you along and we'll do the peaceful Sunday walk.
yeah, and if we have something to say, we'll say something. So let's start our wood swamp trail. So we already found that tower. It was like 1 second away from us, so we're gonna walk up there and see what we can see. In these fields, I guess they can find the peat.
Pete, yes.
Yeah, and they dig it out, and
We can walk there. Let's take
yeah, let's have a walk there before we walk up that tower.
There's examples of the Pete that
They're selling, so they extract this from the ground.
looks like horse shit.
Is it heavy?
I don't think it is. I think it's nah,
Light?
medium. Try it.
It's heavier than I expected because it looks quite dry,
Uh-huh.
but it's alright. Like,
Look at the plantation here.
yeah.
So vast.
So I guess you can buy this and then put it on your own land to make it more.
Soil.
Mm?
For the soil.
Yeah, to make the soil better and enrich it, or I guess, or something like that.
Or
So-
you can burn it.
Oh yeah, as well.
I think that's what it's for, no? I don't know.
I've actually no idea. I think it could be used for both purposes, but if you know better than us, let us know in the comments so we know more.
You can see moon there.
And actually, we need to do temp checks. Temp checks right now are 8 degrees plus, which is amazing. It's quite spring feeling. It's kind of warm if you're wearing a jacket and a scarf,
Yeah.
but it's nice to be walking outside and not be completely frozen. So,
There is no clouds in the sky as well, so
yeah, it's a great day to just enjoy the nature.
yeah. If we talk a little bit more about the nature, why we chose to come here, and also we thought we might take a walk, and this was like as close as it gets to our house, like home in Riga. But other people also decided to come. There was insane amount of cars, and for the this place so far, it's not like close to city or anything.
Yeah, but the weather is great and everyone just wants to be in nature today. That makes sense.
Yeah,
So did we.
same.
So now we'll slowly walk up that tower. So we're on top of this watchtower, but to be honest, I don't see much point of it.
There is not much you can see from here that you couldn't see from the ground.
Yeah, you can see the trail and a lot of people in there, but it's not that high.
So this is how it looks like.
So, something that we didn't anticipate is how insanely crowded this place is.
Everyone's here.
The whole country is here today.
And they just go crisscross. There's this tiny um, road, I guess, I don't know. And then we go from back and from front, but it's like you have to always let people go, and she's
Yeah,
so busy.
like you can't relax or enjoy, and then
No, I'm just trying to finish the path as fast as I can.
Yeah, and a lot of people are pretty much like sprinting as they're running late to work in middle of New York. Like there's so many people, like there's no peace. There's kids crying and people laughing, and like it's not exactly what we expected.
No, not
We
at all.
went,
I thought there's not gonna be no one. Maybe like another family or
yeah,
so.
we went to the nature so that we would have
Nature.
nature and peace, and we would just walk through the woods and enjoy, yeah, just silence. But no, there's so many people, and I pretty much have to stop talking because there's like another group coming towards us, so we have to walk on the ground again. All right. I thought that we would enjoy and smell the nature and how nice the nature and trees would smell, but the only thing I can smell is perfume of the people coming towards me. I don't know if we complain a lot, but this is not what we expected. Because the nature looks amazing, look at it, it's great, but it's really hard to enjoy it today. So now we arrived to the actual swamp.
Now you won't be able to step aside because you will drown.
Yeah, if you walk outside the lines, you'll drown. This park, nature reserve, is actually really beautiful and quite peaceful. I just think we should have chosen a better date where there's not too many people here. It's very interesting because it feels like spring and it's sunny and warm. And in the city, all the snow has melted already, but here, there's still some snow. We found a nice little chair to sit in the middle of this park and walk. It's very sunny and bright, so it's quite nice.
And not everyone got to this point. There's less people walking by, so maybe they just turned back around and went home.
Some of them hopefully gave up.
Yes, so it's a little bit better.
I don't know, did you say how long is the trip?
Online it said it's about 6 kilometers, but I can't guarantee that that's true.
So we'll check home if there's any data available how much we walked today. But now this part seems quite nice. I actually don't want to complain. It's quite nice. We're just chilling in the sun, getting that vitamin.
Yeah, sun is just like right in front of us.
Yeah, it's
So it's
actually
nice.
warm. Like us sitting in coats, it's getting warm, so that's nice.
Good.
Good. So now we're just chilling here, talking about life and stuff. Seems like there's more water or something behind these trees. So, this is just one of hopefully many adventures that we're gonna go around in Latvia. We wanted to do similar adventure hiking walks as we did back in Malta, but the weather was kind of shit, so we didn't do any traveling. But the weather is turning nicer and nicer, so we'll explore more interesting places around Latvia. I have to show you this part because it looks quite cool here. We just saw a sign that you're not supposed to swim here, take a boat here, use a subboard, and you're not allowed to enter on those tiny islands, just to keep the nature preserved as it is. The first part of the walk wasn't very great. We were complaining a lot. There was insane amount of people. Now they all disappeared and we're almost alone. And it's very sunny and bright and beautiful. And we're not as mad anymore. No. Oops. So my advice, if you want to come here and enjoy this place and try to avoid all the crowds, if you don't like crowds just like we don't, then maybe come here in like work days if that's possible for you, because that will probably have a higher chance of getting a lot less people than on weekends.
Look at the entranceway to the ditch.
Should I go in the snow?
No, you're not supposed to swim there.
That is true.
Snowy lake, eh?
It feels so great to be warm and not wanting to wear a hat or gloves.
I can feel the sun on my face, I like it.
Yeah, it's amazing. And I really like this weird dead tree zone. Looks cool. Oh. So, I found a really nice spot and I could fly the drone over this swamp. I don't know if it looked nice or anything, but we'll check it out at home. And yeah, I don't know how far we still have to go. I think the sun is slowly setting, but it's still nice and warm. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. One word, lady. Are you done with your trip?
A little bit. Don't know how far we still have to go. There is no signs or anything that says, I don't know, 400 meters or 1 kilometer or 10 kilometers. So it's kind of, I feel a little bit lost. I don't know how long this path is. But it's alright.
So we found the watchtower right there, right there. So that means we're close to the end because there's only one watchtower. And someone's yawning already, ready to take a nap. So I'm gonna show you just a little last pieces of this swamp. We still have our sun. It looks really nice here.
Very nice.
And we'll probably slowly end the video somewhere near here.
Now you can see us. So we're probably heading to the car now, since the way is, we're next to that viewpoint.
Yeah, somewhere, I don't know where you can see it.
And that's okay, if you don't see it, it's right here. And so it means that it's next to our car,
Yeah.
closer to the car.
So, we are pretty sure that this is a different view tower because it didn't have a view like this when we checked it out first. It was just woods. Let's check this one out. Do you want to climb up this tower? So this is the view from the tower. It's definitely not the same tower. There's some picnic tables and stuff like that. This seems like the road we still have to walk. And we don't even see the end.
No.
So here you go. 6-7 kilometers of walking. Look at that straight line.
Endless line, may I add.
Yeah. So this is something we'll definitely need to walk through. Alright, someone's tired of walking and walkie-talkie. We're gonna go home and eat snacks and then we'll make dinner. So yeah, we're ending the video here so we have an ending, so we don't forget about that part. So let us know if you enjoyed this part, the swamp. Also let us know if you know any nice places we should visit. Hopefully they're not very far because you know how much fuel costs now. And yeah, if you like this video, you could leave a like. And if you want to see more of our videos, then you could subscribe. That would be great. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.